Now I come to another topic. This is a stratigraphic column. It is taken from the web page of the Polish Academy of Sciences Institute of, no, not Institute, the Committee of Geology, which has this on its web page at the moment. And we have all the stratigraphic eras, and we have the number of millions of years of age that are assigned to the different strata. Where do all these ages come from? Well, if someone tells you it comes from isotopic dating, don't believe it. Sedimentary rocks are not dated by isotopes. These dates have been proposed in the 19th century, and they still remain in textbooks and in teaching. By isotoping dating, one can only refer to crystallization, which happens in igneous rocks. In sedimentary rocks, we have only transfer of the sedimentary material from one place to another, and the transfer of material does not change the age of the particles. Next slide. Now we have new research by a sedimentologist called Giertych, who has discovered something very important. But before I show his experiments, I'll come back to an incident which happened in 1980 in the United States, where the Mount St. Helens exploded. This was a big geological incident that the whole world was affected by it, because the gases and the dust that was thrown out into the atmosphere, to the stratosphere, it has affected all of us. It was, for a few days, we had less sunshine and so on. But actually, the first explosion was not upwards, but was sideways. And it hit an adjacent lake, which was blown up the next hill. Of course, the water came down, carrying with it the whole hillside. Many square kilometers of land was pulled down by this landslide. Next slide, please. Now, after some time, this pile of material which moved from the hillside, it created behind it a lake. The lake was full of volcanic ashes. It was really very milky. And after some time, after about 6 weeks, the landslide was broken by the water from that lake, which went through it and created a canyon. This canyon is about 40 meters tall here. And what is interesting is that we find strata. And this material was deposited during a period of 36 hours. We don't need much time for strata to form. Next slide. If we look at the Grand Canyon, it has strata. It has a small river at the bottom. And this could have happened in a very short time. It is about 40 times larger than the canyon that developed near Mount St. Helens. And it would have required 40 times more water to achieve this. Well, sedimentologist Giertych is conducting research in a laboratory, in hydraulics laboratories, where he's studying the movement of sedimentary material. And he observed that one can achieve strata in the laboratory. He first did his studies in Colorado State University. Now he is working in St. Petersburg in Russia, and he's doing this research for many years now, and it's showing that the development of strata takes minutes, hours, days, but not millions of years. So it is possible to imagine that the whole Grand Canyon was formed in a matter of a few months. This sedimentological research is disqualifying the stratigraphic column, and it is disqualifying the theory of